After doing the fact and myth quiz, I'm sure you're quite surprised by some of your answers. Now, speed reading is only limited by your thoughts and beliefs, so I need you to come to the course with an open mind. Your supercomputer is powerful, and that's your brain. The self-talk you say to yourself every day is the programs it runs. So, if you say to yourself you're bad at remembering names, well, guess what? The next person you meet, you're going to forget their name. But to take that example further, have you ever seen someone and said, oh, I remember their name, but I don't remember their face? It doesn't happen like that. We work off visuals. Our limbic brain is our memory source. We remember people's faces, but we forget the name. And I'll be showing you some methods and techniques that you can use to improve that memory. But first of all, we need to address two cognitive biases that's holding you back right now. In just a moment, I'm going to put up a sentence, and I want you to see how many F's there are. I'm going to give you 15 seconds, and go. Okay, how many F's did you notice? Notice 3? Notice more, well done. If you look closer, you'll find there's 6. Now the reason why you missed the other 3, it was because of the ofs. Now what you need to notice with speed reading, you've come to this course and you want to speed read everything, but you need to slow down and take in the detail. That is a technique called scanning and skimming, but you'll notice you'll miss out the key details. So I'll be teaching you techniques where you'll be able to take in the information without missing out on the detail. So make sure you have an open mind, because things like confirmation bias will catch you out. And finally, we come to avoidance. Avoidance bias is extremely difficult. Everyone faces it on a daily basis. We rather go away from fear or struggle because we don't like what's on the other side. But what's on the other side of fear? Absolutely nothing. And we spend a lot of time worrying about things that will never actually happen. But I want you to know that during this course you will be faced with failure and frustration. Accept that, because where there's struggle, there's progress. So stick in there, take plenty of breaks, and you'll reap your rewards.